finishing up here, placing a little bit of shredded Parmesan cheese right into my whoopie pie tin. Ooh, this is the kind I love. I don't know, are you guys shredding your own? Let me know. Okay, you guys, quickly here, we're coming in with some onion rings. Now I'm gonna place these right on top of the Parmesan cheese. Look at that, these thick, delicious rings of onion have my name written all over it. Let me tell you what, there is not much that I like more than onion. Okay, so we're just quickly moving right along. We wanna stack our onions. I don't know, I pick sweet onions. What kind of onions are you picking? I like these ones the best. You tell me in the comments. There we go, perfect. Now I was feeling a little spice today, so right on top of that, I'm gonna grab some jalapenos out of the jar here. Let's see. Oh, look at that. That was easier. Look at how big that scoop is. That hardly ever happens. And I'm just gonna stick, I think just like one jalapeno right on top because I don't want them too much. Maybe we'll stick 2 on that one. I just wanna give it a little bit of flavor, right? I just want a little bit of a kick. So we're gonna go through and stick a couple of jalapenos right on top of these super tasty slices of onion. That looks perfect. Okay, now right on top of that, let's grab ourselves some ranch seasoning and really carefully, let's see how good I am at getting this out of the packet. We're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of seasoning on top of each of these pieces. I'm gonna get it right there on top of that spicy jalapeno with a little bit of this ranch, this onion, this Parmesan cheese, you guys. What an easy treat to just whip together a really good snack. And it's so satisfying, and not to mention, no carbs, so for sure keto friendly if that's something that you're into. On top of that, we're grabbing some more of that Parmesan cheese, you guys, just to sandwich it in. So I'm just gonna carefully place it right on top of the center, kind of where that jalapeno is, because as the cheese melts, it'll just, start to get all over the top, just like we want it. Oh, this is gonna be so tasty. Let's top this last little guy off. I'm gonna give that one just a little bit more cheese. Okay, that looks great, you guys. Of course, you can switch this up. You can do it different. If there's anything you would, tell me in the comments. For now, I'm gonna stick it in the oven at 350. I choose to bake it for 20 minutes because I want that onion to get nice and tender and the cheese to get golden brown. But if you choose differently, I wanna hear why. And yeah, stick around. I am about to dive right into these suckers. Our tasty snack, you guys, is almost done. So what I'm gonna do is I have some sour cream here. I'm just gonna throw this right into a little bowl. Sour cream. Do you guys often have sour cream in your fridge? Are you for or against it? I don't know. My daughter loves it, my son hates it. So what do you feel? Okay, I'm gonna take the remainder of that ranch seasoning and I'm just gonna dump it right there. Perfect, in that sour cream, you guys. We'll give this a good mix, and this is going to be a wonderful dip to have with that super tasty snack. Our little onion bites are all done, and I'm getting really hungry, you guys. I cannot wait to dig into these. Look at how that cheese, I'm just gonna pick one up right here. Let me try to carefully get it out with my fork. Oh, I can see that jalapeno baked right in there, you guys. Look at that crispy cheese, and oh my gosh, these are gonna be so good. So let's go ahead, put them on our plate. I'm just gonna carefully do that with all of them. I'm just gonna get them out with my fork. I mean, look at how perfect that is. Those look amazing. And like I said, I think that jalapeno is just gonna give it a little bit of extra kick, exactly what I'm looking for. Of course, you can always leave it out. I don't know, are you gonna add anything else instead? You guys, I wanna hear all about what you think about this, but for me, these look great and I can't wait to try them out with that little bit of ranch that we put right on top. I feel like that's gonna make such a good seasoning for that. These look fabulous. I love them. And what a fun, easy appetizer. I don't know, you share, you're gonna give them to somebody else. I'm gonna take that one right in the front. I'm gonna dunk it in some of this ranch that we whipped up. Should I just put it all in at the same time?
Yeah, bite size.
Bite size, all in, bite size? I make a fool out of myself, huh? All right. I didn't do a bite size, but wow, this ranch is so good. The onions, they're done perfectly, and that jalapeno is just a little bit of that added kick. Amazing. I love whipping this together. What a fun appetizer, you guys. Are you gonna switch this up in any way? Tell me all about it in the comments, and I'm gonna be scarfing these down, so I'll see you guys later.